welcome back to my channel. I'm GlamDubD. This is day 3 of my Slaytober series where I'm uploading a different Halloween look every day of the 31 days of October. Today is Disgust from Inside Out. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. I'm about to outline the top of the dress with this newbie pencil. Her dress come out a little further, like right here. I'm gonna start out with that dark green and just start filling in this dress. Next, I'm going to set this top paint with my UCANBE satin powder. And then I'm going to go over this paint with another layer. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can free draw this flower. I'm going in with that about to go in and fill my eyebrows in with this dark green, same green that I used to fill in my dress. Okay, so now I'm going to clean up under my eyebrows with this light green, which is later I'm going to go in with this color all over my face. Don't mind my kitchen keeps trying to peek out. Going in with that dark green from the Crayon case. Using that on my lid. Oh yes, that's cute. Then I'm gonna go in with that next green on top and make these lines a little less harsh. Going to be mixing in that light green on top of that green to get the perfect like little transition. That's not too harsh. I want to try to make some lashes. Some paper. Use my strip lashes. We're gonna come back to these later. I'm going in with this NYX Vivid liner and I'm gonna use this for my eyeliner. This is really dry. Then I'm going to go in with that pink from the Crayon case. Now I'm taking this light green and this is what I'm going to use to fill in her skin. And I'm going to highlight with that yellow. And I'm going to set that with some setting powder and then go back over it with another layer. Yeah, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Yep. Dang. Like what? I like this. This was my favorite emotion on the movie. Cause what you say? If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my socials, and I will see you guys tomorrow on day 4.